Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam library not loading on Windows 10, 11, and how you can fix Steam library black screen. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your Steam, and then on the top left corner you should see Steam button, then go to settings here and here, and then you need to go to family here, press manage family view, and make sure that family view is currently disabled. And once you do that, then go back on Steam on the top left corner, go to settings, go to interface, make sure that enable GPU accelerated rendering in web views is disabled here, and press OK. And then go to downloads, and then what you need to do here is to clear download cache. But after you press this button, you need to re-log into your account again. And then you need to look if the problem persists and if you can access Steam library. And if the problem persists, what you need to do here is to completely close Steam from your system tray as well here. Exit here Steam, and on Task Manager should be no Steam processes running here. And then what you need to do here is to search for Steam, right click on it and run this program as administrator, and re-enter Steam, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the last thing that you can do here is to switch Steam to big picture mode. So on the main screen library, you should see this little icon that says big picture mode. Press on that, and then you will be on another window here, as you can see here. We need to wait for a few seconds until it loads up. And then if you want to go to library, you just need to press menu, library, and you should access the library here. And if you want to exit Steam big picture mode, just go to menu, power, and then as you can see here, you can exit big picture mode. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.